In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Base44 subscription step by step. We'll move through the exact path inside your Base44 account so you can confidently cancel your plan without hunting around. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace and that you have the right permissions. In most cases, only a workspace owner or an admin can change billing settings. Using a desktop browser will make the menus easier to see. Start by going to app.base44.com and sign in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile avatar or initials. Click that, then choose Settings. If you have more than one workspace, quickly confirm you're adjusting the settings for the correct one since billing is workspace specific. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Plan and Billing. This is where Base44 keeps everything related to your subscription, including your current plan, renewal date, and payment method. Open that page to review the key details so you know what will change once you cancel, like when your access will end. Next, select Manage Subscription. This typically opens the billing portal in a new tab or a panel. Here you can see your subscription status at a glance. Look for the option to cancel. It may be labeled Cancel Subscription or Cancel Plan. If you're prompted to choose a reason for canceling, select the one that fits best. Read any notes about timing, such as whether your plan ends immediately or at the end of the current billing period. You'll also see a Manage Payment option. Open this if you want to review or update the card on file. Check your payment history or download recent invoices before canceling. It's a good idea to save a copy of your latest invoice and note your next bill date for your records. When you're ready, confirm the cancellation in the billing portal. Watch for a confirmation message on screen and ideally a confirmation email. After confirming, return to Plan and Billing in Base44 and refresh the page. You should now see that your plan is set to cancel, along with the exact end date. If the status doesn't update right away, give it a moment or refresh again. That's all there is to it. You went to Base44, opened settings from your profile, navigated to Plan and Billing, used Manage Subscription, checked Manage Payment as needed, and finalized the cancellation from the subscription details page. If you don't see these options, you may need higher permissions or to contact support. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to verify your plan shows the correct end date before you sign off.